Hey, welcome to this channel. I've just had an amazing trading session with binary options on a platform called Pocket Option. If you want to find out the result, watch this video till the end. Don't forget that all the links are in the description to this video. We're starting right now. I'm Oliver, let's go. Right guys, I'm making this first option for $914 and 1 minute time frame. And here we have a clear directions and indications from both oscillator and the channel, and also the parabolic SAR, all indicating that the price is gonna go down. So let's wait for the result of this and continue. And here we are guys. Since we're started with pretty high amount already, well, you can see that we're having quite a nice balance already. So we're gonna use the entirety of the balance, creating the snowball effect, creating the compound percent. And what it will do is it will let us see the growth, the exponential growth of the balance. So let's move on. Let's use that towards the next option. Right here again we see that there is a downtrend and there is a strong impulse from the bears, and I'm expecting that it will lower more. So let's wait for the result of this option, see if that's correct, and we'll continue. And here we have guys, as you can see, using the entire profits from the last option allowed us to create a really nice amount. It's 92% payout, so therefore we have a really nice profit from this option. What we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing now. We're going to use the entire profits from this option towards the next one, and that will create this an amazing effect I call a snowball. I'm going to push this snowball, so we're just going to use 3K at this stage, and we're going to do the next option. Again, it's going to be I think the third, maybe. Actually, let's go ahead and make a call option here. As you can see, I found there is a support level there that we are likely to bounce off. So levels work really well usually, and sometimes overpower everything else, because here for example you got everything looking down, everything's given a direction towards making a short option, but in this case the level works overpowering everything else. And if we can have the profit from this a correction kind of from the support levels, that's good for us, because a lot of times we work with the corrections, and as you can see it's working well. We had a pullback there and we profited really well. So we're gonna go ahead and make a double option now, and let's see, let's choose the next currency for us, and we are going to just do a double option and use up the entirety of the balance without changing the amount in the amount box. And don't forget guys to like, subscribe and comment. This helps the channel enormously, and thanks for that. And we're gonna move on. Did I want to say the links are in the description to this video. If you're looking for a pocket option link, it's in the description. So that is definitely something you would need, and if you're starting out, then I'm glad to have you here. We're gonna move on and hope you enjoy and learn from these videos. Right, let's make the next option right about here. Unless we look for something else. Let's moving down. Let's look for something else. I usually try to find an interesting situation, a clear one as well. It's easier to learn patterns and indications from the clearer situations. For example, such as here, I have everything except parabolic SAR, which is acting as a resistance here, given a direction to go into long. The parabolic SAR is giving us an indication that it's acting as a resistance and we're likely to bounce off it. Apart from that, there is a local resistance level. So if both of those work on top of each other, but then there are situations when we break the resistance. So it's an interesting one. Let's see, what shall we do here? I'm thinking maybe looking for something else. It's an interesting situation, but it's like 50-50. Here, on the other hand, looking like it's growing, but again, it could be a pullback. How about this one? I'll keep looking. Right, this is looking great. It has started the movement, breaking the bottom line of the channel of the Keltner. The parabolic SAR did not come around yet. It's still showing down, and the downtrend was pretty strong, but we have a movement, and it is trying to reach the middle. It's always going to try and reach the middle, which is acting as a resistance level a lot of times. So it will try to break the resistance always, or it will try to go and break support. Both of those can resist. Support can, it can technically support and push the price up. But in this case, it looks like it's working out. It was a clear situation with the movement already started. There's a lot of factors, but those easy situations are pretty well. We can see them pretty well. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. We're gonna stop here. This was an amazing session. We had an amazing profit. So I hope you enjoyed this, because I did. And I'll see you all next time. All the best. Good luck.